You dream of writing the next big novel, but feel overwhelmed just thinking about it? Relax. You don't have to start with War and Peace. Even Tolstoy didn't start there. Let's talk about why starting small is the smartest way to go big. Hello everyone, I am Pagalavan, writer, writing coach, and writing service provider with more than 20 years of experience. Over the years, I have seen countless writers grow their skills by starting small. Trust me, short stories and essays are just stepping stones. They are the foundation of a strong writing career. Let me share a quick story. When I first started writing, I tried tackling a novel right away. Guess what happened? I ended up with 50 pages of absolute chaos. Then I decided to focus on short stories. Writing those taught me structure, pacing, and how to actually finish something. Today, I look back and realize that those small pieces were the building blocks of everything I have accomplished. Why short stories and essays are such a great place to begin? Quick to complete. You can finish a short story in a day or a week, which gives you a sense of accomplishment faster. Learn key skills. You will practice character development, dialogue, and plot within a smaller framework. Easy to share. Short content is perfect for sharing with others to get feedback. Build confidence. Every piece you complete will make you more confident to tackle larger projects. And hey, let's be honest, short stories are easier to explain to your friends. I wrote a short story about a talking cat. Sounds way better than I am working on a 700-page epic about the history of tea. Am I right? Now, I would like to hear from you. What's your favorite type of short content to write? Is it a heartfelt essay, a gripping short story, or maybe even flash fiction? Let me know in the comments below. As Ronald Dahl once said, a little magic can take you a long way. Similarly, start small, stay consistent, and let your passion grow into something incredible. Speaking of writing tips, don't miss the next video in handwriting tips series. Avoiding waiting for inspiration is going to help you break free from the I am just not inspired trap. Thank you for believing that every big dream starts with small, consistent steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow writers, and subscribe to Writer Pagalavan for more inspiring content. Remember, every great writer started small somewhere. Why not start today? Take care and keep writing.